Hiya, Ben here for Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Welcome to the latest episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? Last week's trick was quite popular. People liked how we explained what was going on, so I'm going to try that again for you. So, think of a number. Any number you want. Got it? Now double it. Once you've done that, add 20. Done that. Now half your number and take away your original number. And everyone should be left with a number 10. Now how does this work? Simplified the algebra a little bit. So we've got x plus 10 minus x equals 10, which is how we get back to the 10. And when I'm saying to you, think of a number, this is our x. Then when I said double it, that's 2x. Add 20, that's 2x plus 20. Then half it, so that's 2x plus 20 divided by 2, which gives us x plus 10. And then when I say take away your original number, you'll have x plus 10 minus x, which gets us back to the answer, which is 10. So that one's definitely maths, not magic. But let us know what you thought, and we'll see you at the next one. Have a good day.